What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get your hands on the Clot Air Jordan 13 Infra-Bred. And with a retail price of $200, resale is going to be around $300 to $400. Just keep in mind the shoe already did release, but it did not release to the public. It actually released in a bunch of pop-up shops, but fortunately for us, a website called Juice Store is going to be releasing them tonight at 12 a.m. Eastern. Now, like I said before, the current resale value is going between $300 and $400, and because the shoe has already released in these pop-up shops, I don't see the price going very far below that. We might see some sizes dip below $300, but I really don't see most of them dipping below that. Now, looking at the blog post Juice Store made, we can see that they are going to be releasing friends and family pairs. I don't really know what that means for us, but there's definitely going to be resale on these shoes. Now, if you are running a bot, please keep in mind it is PayPal only, and you will have to make some accounts for your bot. Now, if you are going to go manual, make sure you already have your address in your account so it already has it pre-filled out. And like I did see before, it is PayPal only, so make sure you're signed into your PayPal on another tab 1 to 2 minutes before the actual drop. And to my knowledge, the bypass jig will be working for this release, so make sure to try it. If you don't know how to do it, I will be live tonight starting at 11 p.m. EST to show you guys how to do the bypass jig and how to set up all your bots for this release. If you are going to be going for this release, definitely stop by. I can help answer any of your questions and show you the best way to cop. So this is going to be a pretty short video, guys, because this is the only store releasing them. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more, and like I said earlier, be sure to stop by the stream. I will be live at 11 p.m. EST to help you guys set up for the drop and answer any of your guys' questions. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out. Why did I close those tabs? Does it have a thing of how much this bitch costs? Just keep in mind the shoe already did and I believe 9 and 8 and I believe 9 p.m. G and I believe 9 a.m. frick me, bro, at 11 p.m. EST to show you guys me. That was a show.
Yeah, I might make it on the internet. How about you?